Chef Dagan here. We are not in the culinary center. We are outside getting ready to grill up some sirloin tip steaks. Today's recipe, we're gonna cook these sirloin steaks with a chili cilantro butter. We're gonna prep everything out here. We have a Dagan cumin black pepper rub we're gonna put on here. It's gonna add some delicious flavor. When we throw it on that grill, that cumin really comes out. And then we're gonna utilize the grill while it's hot, and we're gonna throw some extra vegetables on there. First step, we have some Dagan mustard. This is gonna be our marinade. We have some cumin, and we have some black pepper. That's rainbow pepper. So the cumin and the mustard and everything, when we put that on the grill, is gonna smell and just add some great flavor into that meat. The black pepper is gonna bring it out a little bit of spice, and the mustard will help tenderize that meat a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and brush this on. And we're gonna make sure we let this sit for about an hour so it's got time to tenderize. And we're gonna reserve a little bit of this mustard to glaze it when we grill the steaks. All right, nice. All right, we're all nice and glazed. These have been refrigerated for about an hour. We're out here, we're gonna throw it on the grill. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on, and we're gonna go ahead and grill our Anaheims and our poblanos. I got the grill going. I want to take advantage of it and throw a few extra vegetables on there. So when we eat this delicious steak, we got a little vegetables to go with it. All right, we're gonna pop this on. This should take about 10 minutes total. We got our grill nice and preheated here. It's about medium-high heat. We're just gonna let that set for a few minutes before we turn. Smelling nice. We're just gonna give another little glaze with our reserved glaze. Just add a little bit more of that flavor in there. And we're almost there. We've got about 4 more minutes. Our meat's almost there. Our vegetables are almost there. I'm gonna go ahead and pull off these peppers, and we're gonna peel them and then dice them up. And then we're gonna fold them into this butter. We're gonna peel these. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're gonna remove the seeds. The Anaheims, the poblanos, got that nice roasty flavor from the grill. It's gonna go perfect with our butter and our cilantro and garlic. Gonna dice these up really fine. And we're gonna top these top sirloins off with our beautiful steak butter. All right, we have our softened butter here. We're gonna go ahead and add these chilies in there. I'm gonna save just a few because it's kind of a lot. We have our cilantro. And we have our garlic. And we're just gonna give that a nice little mix. And when our steaks are done, we're gonna top those. This is gonna be a great, really simple recipe to make when you're on the go. All right, our steaks are perfectly done. I'm gonna go ahead and platter this up. These are nice and juicy. You know, with that Dagan and that cumin, I can smell it. I can't wait to taste it. We have our nice veggies over here that we're gonna platter up and just put a little knife on and cut them up a little bit. We're gonna finish it off with some corn. And we have this beautiful cilantro poblano chili. All right, let me see. We're just gonna give this a nice little cut before we dress them up a little bit. So we got a nice little platter of food. Very little dishes. We're gonna go ahead and top our steaks with this butter, and then I'm gonna make a plate for myself. And then a finishing touch is just to add just a touch of acid to this. I got a nice lemon here. We're just gonna squeeze some lemon juice on there, seeds and all. And that'll be a nice little enhancer to get that beef flavor going. All right, we're gonna go ahead and plate this up, cut in this meat. Make myself a delicious plate. You can tell how tender this meat is already. Look at that. Nice. Add a few veggies on there. Put a little bit of tomato, a little bit of corn. We got a nice little steak there. All right, let's try this. Nice, tender. That cumin, the Dagan with the grill, and those poblano chilies, cilantro. It's delicious. That's it for this recipe. If you try this recipe at home, please leave comments below. We'd love to hear how it came out. If you're looking for more recipes like this, Go to beefiswhatsfordinner.com. We'll see you at the next one.